This is a nighttime vlog. We wanted to tap in with you guys. Nighttime nature. It's peaceful. It's nice and peaceful. We're just setting up our little tent, getting ready. So we're having a night outside, guys. So just tune back in when we have everything together. We're gonna show you guys our little setup and how we basically just taking a little night out, listening at the nature, enjoying some outside, some fresh outside, some fresh air. So we just want to chime in with you guys and let you guys know that. But just stay tuned because we will show you the whole setup, how we survive outside, and the little startup kit that you might need. We just starting up our channel, so I appreciate if you guys give me a like, give me a little subscribe. We're trying to build our channel and get things started. So tune back in, and we'll have more for you guys. I'm out.